Thanks for checking in a weather bug here on this Tuesday. I'm meteorologist Todd Nelson with a look at your national coast-to-coast forecast. And today we have another enhanced severe threat, this time in the lower Mississippi Valley. Damaging winds and maybe a few isolated tornadoes. Primary concern there. But as this moisture lifts north into the middle Mississippi Valley, we're talking about more flooding as precip valleys could be on the order of maybe 2 to 3 plus still over the next couple of days. And then behind this, we're talking about some much colder weather with some snow in the northern tier of the nation and maybe even another chance later this week. But back to yesterday here in the central and southern plains, about 130 reports of severe weather. 40 of those preliminarily are tornado reports from the Texas and Oklahoma Panhandle up into Kansas, even south central Nebraska. But some damage being reported with several of those tornadoes yesterday. And then here's the enhanced threat today: southern Arkansas, northern Louisiana. Again, damaging winds look to be the primary threat, but some isolated tornadoes can't be ruled out. And then by Wednesday, as you can see, we have a marginal risk, and the threat for severe weather lessens further here as we get into Thursday, mainly along the eastern seaboard. All right, so our storm system this morning kicking out some very heavy snow. Eastern Colorado, the central plains, enough wind for some blizzard conditions there through midday or early afternoon. There's that line of pretty stout shower and thunderstorm activity. Again, some severe weather potential, but also some very heavy rain. We're calling for, again, maybe 2 to 3 plus inches and a few maximums there in the lower Mississippi Valley at maybe 4 plus. And that rain is going to be pushing east with some pretty decent values. Some decent moisture to the far north. And then again, heading into the late week time frame, we have an impulse of energy that will be working in from the Pacific Northwest. That colder air in place. How about this? A little narrow band of snowfall, maybe from Iowa, southern Minnesota, southern Wisconsin into northern Illinois, maybe even out near Chicago. So we'll be watching for that. But heading into next week, Thanksgiving week, looks like much of the nation will be cooler than average. And there's your warmer than average weather today out ahead of that storm system, where D.C. today will be up to 61, 70 in St. Louis, but much colder in Denver at 39.